Hello everyone. Today we will discuss a few metrics. So metrics, no. So regarding the defects, how you are going to create the metrics? How you are going to say to the team after your lead? So what is the defect and metrics, or defect leakage metrics, or defect age? So these metrics, no, you are going to share with your team or your product owner. So how you are going to create those defects? We will see now. So first one is we will discuss about metrics. No, under metrics we will discuss one, defect leakage. How we are going to see defect leakage? So this metric, no, defect leakage metrics. This metrics defect leakage metrics captured in percentage. Okay, and also this metrics, how we are going to define this defect leakage metrics, no? Where you are finding or leakage of bugs in production. Okay, so means the defect leakage means the issues you are finding in the production. So that we will measure in the percentage. What is the formula? Defect leakage. Okay. Total number of bugs identified by customer. By total number of issues raised. Okay, so this is the defect leakage. This is the way we are going to find defect leakage metrics. See, after release now, if you are finding more number of bugs in the production now, then there is no point doing a release. So customers know when they are using a real app, when they are identifying number of bugs by customer, no, from customer end, no, these are the issues raised by QA people. So defect leakage, no, when it comes beyond this issue raised, no, then customer is identifying, no, then this we call it as a defect leakage metrics, which is not acceptable in software testing. I hope this is very helpful, guys. You people understand. Thank you.